Material needed to make lip matte is beeswax or shea butter. Flavoring that lip safe flavor oil, candelilla wax for texture and cosmetic coloring. For liquid eyeshadow is aqueous base, emollient glycerin, shimmer, antioxidants and makeup powder for color. Oil or shea butter, molds for the shape, twist up tube packaging, colorant and emollients for a creamy texture is for stick blusher. Retractable makeup brush needs synthetic bristle with metal handle, barrier that connect the bristle and handle, epoxy to secure the bristle, and plastic casing for retractable mechanism. A small container will use to separate lip matte, liquid eyeshadow, stick blush, and retractable makeup brush. The price for travel makeup kit is RM59.
Next, the problem statement. Here we have two problems. Firstly, challenging for someone to travel with various cosmetics. We develop a product that eliminates one's need to carry a lot of beauty items while traveling by combining a makeup brush, lip matte, blush stick, and liquid eyeshadow into one stick. It still gives us what we need for our stunning looks without taking up too much space. The second problem is Muslim women difficult to reapply makeup after prayer. For instance, a lot of women desire to apply makeup after praying, but they find it inconvenient to have to carry both a telecom and a beauty bag because they only need to tuck this travel makeup kit inside their telecom bag. It makes it simple for Muslim women to put on makeup again after finishing their ablution and prayers.
The original product is lip matte only, but for our product novelty is we add liquid eyeshadow, stick blush and retractable makeup brush in one stick. With this all-in-one product, you can achieve a complete makeup look effortlessly. It is the perfect blend of convenience and style, ensuring you are always ready to glam up on the go. The 4-in-1 cosmetic is designed to simplify your beauty routine, offering a convenient and versatile solution with multiple functions in a single, easy-to-use product. Here is a simplified breakdown of the functions of the 4-in-1 cosmetic product. Firstly, lip matte is for keeps your lips moisturized and adds a hint of color for a natural look. Secondly, liquid eyeshadow is for give your eyelids different shades in one product and lets you choose between subtle and bold eye looks. Thirdly, stick blush is for adds a healthy flush to your cheeks and easy to blend for a natural finish. Lastly, retractable makeup brush comes with a handy brush for easy application and protective cover keeps the brush tidy.
There are three advantages of the product. The first one is less waste. Small makeup means less packaging, good for the environment. The second is eco-friendly production. Compact makeup is made with fewer material. It's lowering environment impact. And the third point is growing markets. Popular travel size makeup help business grow, supporting the economy.